Hey everybody, Richard here with Camel City Roofing. Getting a new roof has never been easier. With our instant roof quote tool, you can get real-time price estimates in just minutes, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm on the main screen of our website, and over here on the right side it says Need a Roof Quote, get your price now, and up above it says Calculate Instant Estimate. So you can click on either one, and we'll just calculate Instant Estimate, which pulls up the roofing cost calculator. And your next step is simply just to enter your address. So I've got a random address that I looked up just a little while ago because it's got some editing that might be needed to the roof line, and I wanted to show how that also worked. So we've got this house here in Winston-Salem, and as you scan down, you can see it gives you some options on the roof and gives you a suggested main roof as being steep and edit roofs. So simply click on edit roofs, and this is only if the roof needs to be edited. Sometimes the roof line is lined up perfectly on your home and you won't need to touch anything. But if you do, it's simple, just grab the little circles and drag them to the roof line to create the outline for your roof. So we can just drag this here, and we're just basically trying to outline it as close as we can. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we're just trying to get in the ballpark of what the actual roof line is. So we're just moving these circles around, drag this one up to the peak of the roof there, and it looks like we've got the roof outlined pretty well. Click on Save Changes, and as you can see, main roof outline looks good. Come down, still on steep, and click on See My Price. So once you do that, you just fill in some details here. So I will enter my name, our office phone number, and we'll enter my email address. Click on I am not a robot, trying to stop some of the spammers, and click Show My Price. Yep, there we go. There's your roof details. Also showing some recent storm activity. So if you think you might have been impacted by some weather, it does show the last two storm dates that were close to that particular address. And then it shows the recommended products. The first one is the IKO Dynasty. Second one, Certainty Landmark. And we got the Landmark Pro. And we've got a few other options on the higher end shingles and metal. So for instance, if you were interested in the IKO Dynasty, you can click on See Details, and it shows you a picture of a house with particular colors. So that's the drift shake. And if you wanted to see what the granite black looks like, or the shadow brown, or brownstone, as you can see, you can go through all the colors and get at least an idea of what the shingles would look like on a home. So you've got your price range. It shows the installation package. So your installation package, what's standard in that particular cost range. And sometimes there's additional costs. So if you got a 2-story or 3-story home, there may be more than one layer. Some additional items that may cost extra that we would take a look at when we come out to actually inspect the roof. You can also click on financing. So if you're interested in a financing option, you can just go through here, click on Get Pre-Qualified, and already have the financing lined up if that's something you're interested in. So there you go for that. And if you'd like to see the details actually emailed to you, just click on the detail button there, done. There you go. The quote for all these roofing products has been sent, and you are complete. So if you'd like to learn more, just give us a call, 336-860-7663, or you can just check us out on the website, camelcityroofing.com. Have a great day.